You're not gonna believe this, but right now, as you're sitting there watching this, the universe is doing something that should be impossible. Yeah, you heard that right. The universe is breaking its own rulebook.
Dark energy, the mysterious force that's been accelerating the expansion of everything you've ever known, is getting weaker.
And according to every law of physics we've built our understanding on, that's not supposed to happen. If this is real, it means the heat death of the universe might be off the table. Your descendants could witness the cosmos collapse back into itself. The cosmic plot thickens. But here's the terrifying part. It also means that every prediction we've made about the future of reality could be completely wrong. The constants we thought were constant aren't. And if dark energy can change, then so can everything else. But here's where it gets stranger. Some physicists think this isn't a breakdown of physics at all. It's the universe evolving. Imagine the universe as a massive video game, where gravity is trying to pull everything together, but dark energy is like a cheat code that keeps pushing everything apart. For the past 13.8 billion years, this cheat code has been getting stronger and stronger. But now, the code is glitching. Researchers at Johns Hopkins and the European Space Agency have been tracking this through something called the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument. Basically, a cosmic magnifying glass that can see how fast galaxies are moving away from us. And what they're seeing is breaking their models. Would you want to live in a universe where the fundamental forces could change at any moment? Drop your thoughts below. Think of dark energy like a rubber band that's been stretching for billions of years. But instead of snapping back, it's fading. Like a cosmic heartbeat that's slowly losing its rhythm. Webb's basically throwing a cosmic curveball. This creates what physicists call phantom dark energy. But it gets weirder. If this trend continues, space itself might start contracting instead of expanding. Your great-great-grandchildren might live in a universe that's shrinking. Here's the twist. Einstein's equations actually predicted this possibility. His cosmological constant wasn't meant to be constant at all. But we've been treating it like gospel for a century. Recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope are showing galaxies that formed too early and too large, suggesting our understanding of cosmic evolution needs a complete rewrite. And we thought our problems were big. Not everyone agrees with this interpretation. Some theoretical physicists argue that what we're seeing isn't dark energy changing. It's evidence that our universe is just one bubble in an infinite multiverse. Each bubble has different physical laws, and we're witnessing the boundary effects between realities. What this means for you is that your existence might be far more fragile and far more miraculous than anyone imagined. Now here's where things move fast. Ready? Science is basically running 24/7 on this one. Euclid is mapping 2 billion galaxies. Berkeley scientists are running non-stop simulations. CERN is probing the link between dark energy and the Higgs field, the same field that gives particles mass. And all of it is pointing to something we've never seen before. If dark energy controls the fate of the universe, should we be trying to artificially control it? Is that playing God? Or just making sure the game doesn't crash? If dark energy continues weakening, we might avoid the heat death of the universe entirely. Instead of everything drifting apart into cold, empty darkness, gravity could eventually win. Stars would form again, black holes would merge, and the cosmos could enter a new phase of cosmic evolution. Your legacy might survive in a universe that rebirths itself. But hold on, there's a catch. There's a darker possibility. If dark energy doesn't just weaken but completely disappears, the universe could collapse back into itself within a few billion years. Everything that ever existed would be crushed back into a singularity, the Big Bang in reverse. Every story has an ending, but this one might be cosmic. Every story ever told, every breath ever taken, every dream, every failure, every love, folded into silence. And if that's true, then every moment of consciousness, every scientific breakthrough, it all has an expiration date. Or maybe we're witnessing the birth of entirely new physics. Dark energy could be the universe's way of upgrading itself, like a cosmic software update. The constants we thought were fundamental might be more like temporary settings that the universe can adjust based on its age and evolution. But if that happens, what does it mean for you? You might be living in the last generation to experience this version of reality. So maybe the universe isn't broken. Maybe it's just growing up, and you're right there to witness it. Maybe that impossible thing we opened with was the first sign of something bigger. Maybe it's not physics failing. Maybe it's physics transforming. And maybe your existence isn't just a random accident in an expanding cosmos. Maybe you're witnessing the most profound transformation in the history of reality itself. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that those stars aren't just burning gas. They're participants in a cosmic experiment that's rewriting the rules of existence. And so are you. Because if the universe can change its mind about dark energy, what else might it be changing its mind about? Subscribe and stay tuned to Theory Spark for more mind-bending science videos.